Okay, so as promised, I'm going to do my unboxing. I got the Nutrisystem yesterday, as you know, and so I thought I'd open up this big old box that I got. So first thing I see is my packing slip. Shows me all the foods I got and to download the app. Wow, this has a lot of stuff in it. So the first thing that I see though is the week 1 box. So let's open this up here. My first week, let's do this. It's talking about my meal plan, and it's kind of a food diary and how to use it, but I've downloaded the app already, so I don't need to. Here's the list of contents. So let's see what we have. So I have cornflakes, so this is breakfast. I was reading earlier that things are listed in a color-coded. So the orange is breakfast, so this is just cornflakes. Not a lot. There's a snack, so I'm assuming that's purple. Some cheese puffs. Another snack, white cheddar popcorn. Lunch, 3 cheese chicken. It's not a lot of food. Broccoli and rice for lunch. I don't know how they got the bowl to fill up that much with this little bit. Here's loaded potato. Has bacon in it, so I'm gonna have to use this one to trade with something that Bernadette has. Let's see what else. All right. Ooh, peanut butter cookie for a snack. A bunch of broken chocolate chip cookies, at least from what I feel. Sweetened O's cereal, so like a sweetened Cheerios type thing. Ooh, lots of bars. Seriously. So this is a snack, dark chocolate and sea salt nut bar, a breakfast cinnamon bun bar, double chocolate caramel bar. Here's another big chocolate chip, strawberry yogurt, Nutrisystem, peanut butter granola, chewy chocolate fudge bar, and chocolate peanut butter bar. Then I have some chili with beans, spicy chili with beef, beans, and tomato. Chocolate chunk cookie, a cinnamon streusel muffin, and I think this is Bernadette's favorite. It's the double chocolate muffin. So then we'll go into some dinners. Rotini and meatballs. Meatballs and marinara sauce. Barbecued seasoned chicken. And red beans and rice. Okay, a little bit more here. We have pasta fagioli. And a vegetarian chili. This pasta is a dinner, and it's quite sizable compared to the other. So. Then I have another shelf-stable meal. This is dinner time. This is mac and cheese with turkey sausage. And then there's another box in here. Okay, so from what I've heard, this is gross. but it's the chocolate shakes. Let's see. Alright, so I can tell that I'm gonna need a lot of vegetables here because I don't know how this, as far as the dinner goes, is going to be enough for me to eat, or at least enough to fill me up. But this is all I get to eat in week 1, so I want to make sure that I put it all back together in the same box. Obviously, it's not going to be packaged as pretty as how it came. It was packed really well, but let's keep it all together and not try to crush anything else. So that was my week 1 box. Go ahead and put that to the side. So after the first week, I get to eat pretty much anything else in this box. So here is another box filled with more food. Cheddar and broccoli rice. There's some buttered popcorn. White popcorn. Ooh, pancakes. So I'm trying to see what I need to, so it's just mixed with water. Cereal. There's another loaded potato for me to trade. Ooh, Nutri-chocolates. Now, I thought I was supposed to get some kind of shakes or something, but apparently I didn't. So let me put this. So I guess that was the only, those were the only shakes that I got, were only for the first week, which is good, I guess. So this box is now filled with more packing material. And then I have the, I have more dinners. But again, like I said, these are really gonna have to get beefed up with vegetables, so. All right. Oops. So that's gonna start tomorrow. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.